This is the Lusa RX 500 plug-and-play tricycle. My daughter looks forward to being on this. All the parts of this tricycle are easy to install as they come pre-assembled and are based on smart plug-and-play. I don't have to worry about her falling or hurting herself as it comes with an attached seatbelt. It has a zero-edge design platform, that means no sharp edges either. The seat is cushioned, the rubber wheels have a great grip, and you get dual storage space too. The handle at the back has a cushion grip as well for easy parenting control. I prefer to fold the footrest sometimes as it's both rotatable and foldable. It's perfect for kids between 12 months to 4 years and has a 30 kg carrying capacity.